I have my letters set up here on the blending board. Remember, the yellow ones are the vowels. They go in the middle. And remember, we look at each letter, we say each sound, and then we blend them together quickly to read the word. So let's try this first one. I'll do it first and you can get the hang of it again, okay? So we have it. Let's put it together. It, mitt. Right? I wear my mitt to play baseball. You want to try one? How about, let's try, let's see. All right, let's try this one. You ready? Say your sounds. I'm going to point to them. What'd you come up with? Here's what I got. A-k. Put it together. Mac. Mac. Think that's real or nonsense? Let's see. Let's try another one. All right, how about this one? Let's see. Say your sounds. Now let's blend them together. Here's what I got. At, rat. Ooh, I hope I don't see a rat anywhere around. How about this one? What do you think? What'd you come up with? Here's what I got. At, sat. I sat on my couch. How about that? I'm sure you probably did too. How about, what if we do it this way? What if we change our vowel sound to this? Now what does this one say? Let's try this one out. Got it? Here's what I got. It, sit. I told my dog to sit. How about that? All right. Try this one real quick before I change the vowel. So that one rhymes with our last one. So last one we had was it, sit. This one is it, pit. Yeah, we got a rhyme. Sit, pit. How about, what happens if we do this now? We change our vowel sound. What do we have? We have, let's put it together. Pot, pot. I used a pot to make dinner. What do you think about this one? Here's what I got. Ot, tot. Sometimes we call little kids tots. How about, let's see. If that was tot, then this one must be, let's say it, d-ot, dot. Another rhyme, tot, dot. How about, let's see. Oh, sorry about that. How about, let's see. What do you think about that one? CH. What does CH say again? Do you remember? Let's try it. Ch-at. Chat. I had a chat with my mom. What about if I do this? Now what does that one say? Let's try it. Did you get it? Ch-ap. Chap. A boy sometimes is called a chap. What about this? A lot of people really like these. What do you think? Ch-ip. Let's put it together. Ch-ip. Chip. Chip. Some people like a potato chip or a chocolate chip. What does that one say now? changed our vowel sound. It did say chip. Now we have an O in the middle. Now it's going to say something different. It doesn't say chip. Now it says chop. Chop. Did you chop the vegetables for dinner? How about, oh, what do you think of that? Same sound at the beginning of the word and at the end of the word. Let's try it together. Up. Put it together. Up. Pop. Pop would rhyme with this word. We have pop, now we have top. Top. Pop, top. That rhymes. What do you think? Does this one rhyme with it too? Here's what I got. Up, mop. So I had top, I had pop, and I have mop. All words that rhyme. How about this? What do you think? Rip. Let's put it together. Rip. Did you rip the paper? What if I did this? Oh, another rhyme. Last word was rip. Now we have sip. Sip. What rhymes with rip and sip? Can you think of anything? I can think of tip, rip, sip, tip, chip, rip, sip, tip, lip, rip, sip, tip, dip. Keep going if you could think of any more. All right, good work. Keep practicing your letters and your sounds. Keep loading.